What's going on, guys? Back again with another video. Today we're going to be installing the Lace Fit Tesla Model Y mud flaps. See how they look. Hopefully they're effective. I did cross shop a bunch of different brands. Ultimately, these looked the cleanest in my opinion. Did see the carbon fiber options from Spigen, but wasn't really a fan of that. I kind of just wanted something just matte black, just very simple and subtle. So hopefully these do the job. We'll check it out. If not, we'll send them back and we'll try something different. Got the package right here from Amazon. Packaging seems to be very cheap. It does have a Lace Fit sticker on here. Packaging material isn't the best. And it looks like they included the rear wheel pins, plastic pins. So these are just labeled accessories for Tesla. So apart from the instructions, it didn't include much else. No tools or anything like that. I have here front passenger seat. So this is the one we're gonna install right now. These popped off pretty easily. And it looks like the Lace Fit mud flaps have like a little clip on here, a little lip rather, that clips on to this inner part right here. So I can make sure that this pops in, and then I have the holes lined up. I went ahead and installed the front left, or the driver mud flap as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the rear passenger mud flap. One thing I do like is that the rear does use one of the screws that's found down here on the right side of the bumper. I did have to get my 10mm socket wrench to go ahead and remove this screw. So keep that in mind. If you purchase the Lace Fit, make sure you have a 10mm, or you just have a pair of decent standard pliers or monkey wrench, anything like that can get that bolt off of there. But it just would have been nice if they included at least a cheap wrench. You know, IKEA includes that stuff. Like, come on. All right, so we got the mud flaps installed. They have a very slim profile. It does kind of look a little bit factory, but they don't stick out as much as I thought they would. So I am honestly concerned with how much protection they'll actually offer. I know that over here in the Florida expressways, we do have a ton of rocks and debris on the road that will kick back up with the tires. So I'm curious to see overall how these perform. Hopefully they stay on, they don't fall off. I feel confident in my installation abilities. This was very simple. Those rivets came off very easily. I do like the way they look. Simple, clean, like I wanted. I really wanted something that would offer a lot of protection, and I don't know, long term if these will. So if you have experience with these, definitely drop a comment. Let me know, have they lasted? Do they work for what you were looking for? Or if you've had any issues with them, definitely let me know. I'll follow up if I end up returning these or exchanging them for different ones. I am curious what other options are out there besides the Spigen ones and the ones from Tesla. So I'll be looking out to see if I find something better. But yeah, I'll have a link down below so you guys can check these out, and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to see anything else. And we'll catch you in the next one.